Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to reset the camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here it does not really matter on which mode we will be. We can be on the photo or the video mode. All we have to do is to enter the settings, which are general. So let's tap on this arrow and tap on the settings right here. But actually, before I forgot to tell you, I hope that you can see the special line of a grid line, type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording. Thanks to this, you will be able to see the actual changes. So after resetting the settings, the grid line should disappear. Alright, so let's enter the settings. As I said, right here we've got this icon, and right now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings. Let's confirm it with OK, and as you can see, we immediately got back to the camera. You can decide whether you want to use the tag locations, and here we've got the camera, as you can see, without the grid line, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.